I'm very happy.
You're very happy. How long have you been doing this now?
In Glasgow,
Yes.
3 years.
3 years. Do you enjoy your job?
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you very much. Do you enjoy your evening?
Okay, thanks.
I'm over the moon, absolutely over the moon. I don't think Marouk's really expressing how ecstatic she feels because she's done an absolute splendid job. She comes to work with a smile on her face. She runs a tidy kitchen. She's enthusiastic all the time, and she's not sort of communicating that, but she's an absolute brilliant chef.
Obviously, she's a real credit to you.
Absolutely, she's, and not just Marouk obviously, but the whole team at Bukhara is why we're here. We've based everything really on sort of doing simple things but brilliantly, giving value for money in an intimate environment, and I think that's why sort of people have voted for us today. We don't want to invent the wheel. We just want to do things very, very stylishly.
That's correct. That's the way forward, I think, anyway, just now, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. But only by gelling all together, though, can you actually deliver those results. And by having someone as talented as Marouk at the helm, what you probably don't know is that Marouk has been a head chef here, well, one of the first lady head chefs, but she's also worked at 5-star hotels in Dubai. She's very, very talented, and she delivers. So I don't think she gets that across. She's quite shy and quite humble. Well, this isn't about me at all. I'm just the front to accept this on behalf of the staff. It's down to them. It's all down to them. It's down to keeping that communication, all the communication lines open, because we're not just a restaurant, we're part of a hotel. So we've got to have fine lines, we've got to have clarity, we've got to, it's got to be unambiguous. And we do what we do, and we're enthusiastic. The words that I said on the stage, they're not just words, it's something that we live and breathe. The enthusiasm, the commitment. Everyone in the industry works very, very long hours, and you wouldn't work those hours unless you gave it your all and you didn't want to be part of that. And we generally are like one family. So much so, I think we spend more time there than we do with our own families. And we do that because of the love of the job and for what we do and what we want to put back, in a restaurant and obviously a hotel as well. So that whole environment. So it's a whole team effort. And no one person can take credit for something as big as this, apart from the head chef. But then the head chef has a great team behind her.
I'm sure she's got all her assistants to work alongside her. As again, I would say that is commitment that delivers to the community, and that's what we're here for, aren't we?
Absolutely.
What would you like to say, sir, on tonight's event, on your success?
I'm very happy that we achieved this award and very honoured. And also I'd like to say thank you very much to all my staff. They have worked very hard for this, and I hope they have a great future and the team stay the same, and we're looking forward for it again next year. Thank you.
What would you like to say about the organisation and the planning of tonight's event and the atmosphere here?
The organisation was fantastic here, and we enjoyed the evening. And also I'd like to say thank you to everybody that voted for us, and also the judges and the Oceanic and everybody else who put a good effort to get us here, and that our MD, Mr. Sharif, has given us an absolute go-ahead to go for this award. And that's it. I mean, Lawrence, our general manager, is a great guy, and I'd like to say thank you to everybody and the chef, Marouk, for achieving the Chef of the Year. And I'd like to say thank you to all my staff at Bukhara to make sure that they do better next year. Thank you.
Well, obviously enjoy your evening tonight, and it's a very big achievement for you, Marouk, because not a lot of females actually come across the board in this industry. It's a male-dominated industry, the takeaway and restaurants, especially around here, so you should feel proud of yourself.
That she's achieved a hell of a lot, as you say, in a male-dominated environment, and she thrives in it. And that's got to show to the youngsters coming through that there's a good career to be had, there's accolades to be won if you're passionate about what you do and the commitment. But just a quick comment about Oceanic, absolutely fantastic. It's like Broadway, it's so professional. I can't praise them enough. And from my short experience of working with Oceanic and attending sort of functions like this, it's been time after time, they get better and better. It's like a good wine.
That's right. Well, it's an inspiration to us all with Marouk winning and everything, like for the female industry coming on board. I think is absolutely fantastic. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.